Welcome this video. Wood pallet project creates centrability and budget friendly idea. Wood pallet project have surrounding in popular among enthusiasts create and home influencer love those hormones platform original design and shed too and story and now bring transforming into style functional and eco friendly functional and design whether you are seasoning woodwork or a bring endly hobby. Wood pallet often a world of create within break the bank. When used wood pallet are wide available, often free and very influential, and then often stood versatile and that can be advertising of wide range of use. Here are a few seasons when pallet projects are a great choice. Cost effect main business give pallet away to sale theme. Recyclable upcycle pallet friendly or redeem wash customizable pallet wood can be bring cut sand print to match and style. Pallet are built to very hard load make team idea of frame before start of project. It's important to choose pallet that and soft to use look of hard pallet than charm traditional often one of inside far side of room away thoughtful to side smoking finish pallet wood project coffee pallet table one of the most popular bring friendly project in the coffee table. It's convenient, functional with rustic charm and can be customized with wild gas top and story underneath smart to palette and theme together at and mobiles to a sting finish for a published look. Palette soft and outdoor palette soft along are some and smoking easy to build palette into an L shape or storyline comforting then are often to outdoor fiber you can